Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of The Docks. Today, we have a delicious holiday liquid beverage for you. We're going to make it out of these ingredients. It is health conscious, it is rejuvenating, and we're gonna have so much fun making this with you today.
So we're going to start with a low-calorie almond milk base. Anyone on a diet, this is 30 calories per serving. This is definitely what you want to use as your base. Just use a little bit of
banana, yellow banana, peel the banana.
Red raspberries. This is a holiday beverage. A green fruit, I believe. This is much like the rind of a cantaloupe.
Cottage cheese. It's creamy.
Mott's applesauce, strawberry, naturally flavored with other natural flavors. This is just for taste. It tastes really good.
This is tomato paste.
So this is basically your mom's garlic bread. Holiday sauces. This is ghost pepper hot sauce. Add a healthy kick to your beverage. There's no such thing as too much here. This stuff is just delicious. And wasabi, honestly, same thing goes.
Speaking of a healthy kick, prime energy.
This one goes out to all those coffee lovers out there.
Twinkies artificially flavored iced latte.
So I'm just gonna...
Dill pickled rice. Really healthy alternative to other foods.
So this is some snow-capped lard. It's basically like an avocado. Scoop a little of this out and just kind of... And I think that should be plenty. Yeah.
Pepperoni. And you want to make sure it's not processed. That's why we got great value, because it's...
This is vanilla extract, and we're really just going to use this to mask the, the bananas. Alright, now the beverage is ready to be served to all of your friends and family. So you want to put it in an appetizing glass, right? Fill it, yes. Okay, that's probably good. You might want to add a little kiwi garnish to it. Give it that tropical flair. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Your friends are gonna love it.
Taste test.
Mmm. Yummy, yummy.
It's wonderful. Yummy. Okay, so we have traveled to Santa's land to meet a world famous chef to try our beverage.
Yeah.
There's the world famous chef. Hello, world famous chef.
Hello.
Here is our beverage for you to try.
Oh, Jesus. That smells awful. What the fuck are you making me drink, dude? Okay.
It's delicious.
Oh, fuck it.
What do you think?
What a rejuvenating and health-conscious holiday liquid beverage. Ooh, yummy. That is so delicious. I like this a lot. I wish I could have more. How do I make this? Yummy, yummy in my tummy. How festive. Ho, ho, ho.
They just made me drink somebody's puke.
You should all like,
definitely
comment,
achieved
and
something.
subscribe to see more holiday beverages.
Do you want a sip?
Uh,
We already
we
tried it.
tasted
You already. Yummy, yummy.